Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 2 minutes so the airbags and electronics fully discharge. Once done, remove the glove box and the visible trim screws. Use a T20 and a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching. Make sure to unclip the lower dash access panels next. This exposes the hidden screws and electrical connectors. You do this now because reaching the upper dash fasteners is impossible with those panels in place, and organizing fasteners by zone speeds reassembly. You proceed by detaching the center console trim and HVAC bezel to reveal the dash mounting bolts behind them. Next, methodically disconnect wiring harnesses, airbag connectors first, then infotainment and climate. Label each plug so you know where it returns. Support the dash with a padded jack or helper to prevent sagging, and remove the top and side mounting bolts using a T30. Take your time here. Because the dash is heavy and fragile, steady support prevents cracked panels and snapped brackets. You finish by lifting the dash forward slowly while watching for any remaining harnesses or heater box clips that still attach it. Before fully extracting, inspect airbag connectors, HVAC flaps, and a /C lines. Disconnect any last items. This prevents sudden tugs that damage hoses or wiring. If the dash resists, stop and recheck all fasteners, press hidden clips inward, and use a gentle rocking motion to free trapped edges. Troubleshooting tip: if something feels bound, don't force it. You likely missed a concealed screw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.